Last week on Three Themes at Three, our show was about the mental and physical health of a quilter.
We spoke with therapist Melissa Mason about how we can take care of ourselves mentally, and boy, did she have some great advice.
Self-care is not self-indulgence, it is self-preservation.
Wow. We also had John Berryhill on to teach us how to correct our posture and do some exercises that will help us keep our bodies loose and ready to go sew.
We learned the difference between mindful and mindless projects and practiced positive affirmations.
That is something you definitely do not want to miss. So be sure to catch 3 at 3 live every Monday through Thursday at 3 p.m. Mountain Time.
True, I love you so much, girlfriend.
Or watch it on demand through Facebook or YouTube by clicking the links below.
Come learn and have some fun with us on 3 Themes at 3, where we always have something to make you smile.
Awesome.
Love it.
Something to learn
And something to discover.
Let's go.